If you are an HR professional and you want to learn how the best-in-class companies like Google and Amazon and Netflix hire and retain and develop their talent, possibly because you want to work for them someday, then this course could be for you. Hi, my name is Bharat, and I live in San Jose, California, which is right in the heart of Silicon Valley, and I work for Netflix. I could not be more excited about teaching this course, HR Management with ELVTR. HR just has a scary reputation. We've all heard those jokes about being sent to the principal's office, which is unfortunately what a lot of people think about when they think about HR. But let me debunk that notion and show you that HR can be a valuable contributor and a real differentiator, and how HR managers can help businesses thrive while creating rewarding and meaningful careers for people. Maybe you lead a company or you run a team and you want to understand the secret sauce of these top technology companies. How is it that they continuously engage and motivate their teams to innovate and develop great products? We will be spending time understanding not just what HR teams do, what is their role, what skills do the most effective HR people have in common, but also how they work with leaders and managers within these organizations, and most importantly, what mechanisms and tools and techniques do they use to solve the most complex and interesting problems, whether it's related to hiring or developing people, coaching leaders, or fostering a great culture. And here's the really cool part that I'm very excited about. We won't be just talking theory. We'll be using real case studies across all those HR topics, so you understand not just what these HR teams face on a day-to-day basis, but how they approach those problems and solve them. So I hope to see you in this class soon. Goodbye.